Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get widgets on Notion. Widgets are essentially small applications or pieces of content that you can embed directly into your Notion pages. They bring dynamic information and functionality from other apps right into your workspace. This can include anything from a live weather forecast to a Spotify playlist, making your Notion pages much more interactive and personalized. Once you understand what widgets are, the next step is finding them. There are numerous third-party websites dedicated to providing Notion-compatible widgets. Platforms like Indify, Aption, and Widgetbox are excellent starting points. These sites offer a diverse collection of widgets, from simple aesthetic elements like a flip clock to more functional tools such as a Google Calendar or a Pomodoro timer. You can often customize their appearance and features before embedding them. Embedding a widget into your Notion page is a straightforward process. After you've selected and customized your desired widget from a provider, you'll typically receive an embeddable link or HTML code. Navigate to your Notion page, type a / and choose the embed block from the menu. Then, simply paste the link or code into the provided field and press enter. Notion will then load and display your new widget directly on the page. After embedding, you have full control over your widget's appearance within Notion. You can easily resize it by dragging its corners and move it around your page to fit your layout perfectly. Many widget providers also offer extensive customization options, allowing you to match colors, fonts, and styles to your Notion aesthetic. For those seeking even more advanced functionality, creating custom HTML widgets opens up possibilities for truly unique and tailored integrations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.